Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change sound effect settings in Redmi Note 13. So for this feature guys, first of all go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of sounds and vibration. Just tap here and then again scroll. As you see we have option of sound effects here. Just tap on sound effects and we have these options. Number one is Dolby Atmos where we can change it to Xiaomi sound. Other one is graphic equalizer. So we can change the voice or sounds effect by this. Like we can change it to rock. So in rock we have the bass. We can set the audio from here about the bass and the music. We have pop, classical, hip hop, blues, electronic, metals. And in custom we can set by our own. So that's are the sounds effects which we can change. And if you're talking about headphone remote button, we can set it from here. So these are the sound effect settings in Redmi Note 13. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.